Little snook. Come here, snooky snook. Ooh. No, 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 don't go in there. Okay, got the snook on the board. Two more mojarras. Okay, little 20-inch snook. I actually forgot to bring my front camera today. If we get a good fish, I'll take off my hat and show him. Yeah, he's like 20.5 inches. See you, buddy. Jack. You Jack. Jack. Thought I had a decent little redfish. That's always a letdown. Well, down to one mojarra. That's a jack, it's a big one. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Had to pull up the anchor because he was rubbing on it. Oh, it's a nice red. Yeah, last mojarra, nice redfish. Woo! her down again. All right. Beauty of a redfish. Look at that beauty. See how big he is? He's about 25 3/4. Let me see if I can set my hat up on the front of the kayak. I forgot my front camera today. Give you guys a nice shot of him. How about that pretty fish? Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. Okay, we'll give him a good revival here. Whenever you're ready, buddy, just let me know. You swim right over there to those mangroves. Start moving those fins when you're ready. There we go. There we go. He's balancing now. There he goes. Awesome. Well guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I only had 3 baits, 3 mojarras that I got with the cast net this morning. And I ended up with 3 fish, a snook, a jack, and a redfish on 3 baits. Not too bad. Sorry it's been so long since I uploaded a video. Life's just been super busy recently. But well, we took a vacation up to Tennessee, a nice family vacation, did some hiking in the Great Smoky Mountains. That was a lot of fun. But it's nice to be out on the water and fishing today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.